Okay, you guys, this is not the complete mystery box. It's not even half of it. There's a lot of stuff in this mystery box, including the gold Cricut CUTIE. So if you want the gold Cricut CUTIE, click the link in the description and use that link, use my code, and go buy your Cricut mystery box. If you love paper, you will not be disappointed. There's a lot. Everything you see here is iron-on. You get the rainbow sampler. You get 2 sheets of each color. This is all iron-on. You get the Martha Stewart Everyday Iron-On Floral Collection. It is solid though. It's not floral pattern. You get, it's a pinkish reddish, and then a pink and a gray. You also get the Martha Stewart Pattern Iron-On with these 3 patterns. Let me open these up. Let me know in the comments below if you purchased the mystery box. So exciting. So you get red with little white polka dots, this beautiful floral pattern, and a striped pattern. These look so cool when you're using them with small letters or intricate designs. It just gives a really cool look. And then you have glow sticks, glitter, fluorescent iron-on. 3 sheets of 12 by 12. There's so much more. Let's get to the paper. This is one of my favorite paper packs. They're double-sided. You get 2 sheets of each. That is really pretty pattern. And there's the back. You may have used this in a project. Maybe today. Maybe another day. There's the back of that one. Love this one. So pretty. Oh, and a beautiful purple on back. I think I'm going to use this in my card. So pretty. There's the back. And you get 2 of each sheet. This is another beautiful one. Love it. And nice. And they're not solid backgrounds, they're watercolor look. So I really love that it's not just one solid color. And then this one. Love this one. So pretty. Nice color on back. So, so pretty. There's more. I'm not going to open this one, but it's 24 sheets. I can't even show you in the whole video because there's the colors down here. It's the basics. So you get a white, a cream, a gray, and a black, 12 by 24. Now you do need the 12 by 24 mat to cut this unless you decide to just cut the paper in half. If you don't need paper this big, although it's fun for big projects, you can cut it in half if you need it to be smaller. The summer sampler of premium vinyl, permanent. You get those beautiful colors. Love those. They're my favorites. You get 1 of each 12 by 12 sheet. And then you get 40 more sheets of vinyl. You get 10 white, 10 black. They're flat. They're not rolled up. You can use these on cards. You can use them on almost anything. I've used this on my car and it was on there for 4 years. And it went through lots of weather. I also like this for cards, for doing intricate wording and things. And then you have 20 more sheets. This is the Maritime one. You have blue, red, gold, and white. So let's look at those colors. Beautiful blue. Red, you can use on so many things. And gold. This will be great for Christmas with the red and gold and white. Awesome. That's not all, guys. There is more. You also get the Martha Stewart pen set. This pen set was not available at Cricut.com for a long time. This is the fine point pen set. So it's 0.04 or 0.4. Nice colors. The 12 by 18 inch self-healing mat. And it's double-sided. This is a really nice mat. It's awesome. You're getting all that in the mystery box. It may sell out within just a few hours. Make sure you click the link in the description. I will also put it in the pinned comment of this video on YouTube. If you're watching it on Facebook, look for it in the post. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and give me a comment if you got the mystery box or not. Bye, guys.